Setting the first day of the week on your iPhone 15 allows you to customize your calendar view to align with your regional preferences or personal scheduling habits. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on General. In the succeeding menu, tap on Language and Region. Navigate to the second section and then tap on First Day of Week. Here, you can choose your preferred first day of the week. By default, it's set to Sunday. If you live in a region where Monday is considered the first day of the week, or if you prefer to start your week on Monday, select Monday. You can also choose any day of the week as your starting day, depending on your preference. Simply tap to mark your selection. This feature on your iPhone 15 allows you to personalize your calendar view to match your cultural norms or personal preferences, making it easier to plan and view your schedule in a way that feels most natural to you. Repeat the same steps if you wish to make necessary changes to this setting. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.